I've owned a full service advertising agency for over 25 years, but rarely, if ever, did I get involved in designing logos, because people are so weird about logos. Some people don't care about them. Some people think it's the most important thing in their company, and some companies spend millions of dollars designing a logo. When Nike designed probably one of the most famous logos in the world, the Nike swoosh, for $35. So I think the importance of logos is greatly overblown for most companies. Now, if you're selling sportswear, yeah, maybe the logo is important because you're putting it on your sportswear, but for most companies, spend way too much money and way too much time worrying about their logos. When it comes to logos, I have a very simple idea of what a good logo is. If you look at the PGA Tour logo, you can tell what they do. If you look at the NBA logo, you can tell what they do. You don't need an explanation. You don't need a map to try and figure out the nuances the designer wants you to feel in that logo. You know, the Ferrari logo was actually taken off a World War I plane, an Italian ace, and put, you know, the prancing horse, horsepower, makes some sense, right? So, you know, that was a logo that cost nothing. He just copied it off a plane, basically. So don't get too caught up in logos. And if you do get in logos, the best thing to do is put some type of graphical element in your logo that makes the person understand what promise your business delivers. Anything else is just complicating the matter. So my legendary marketing logo is a golfer holding up a trophy. What does that say? It says success. That's what it's supposed to say. Most of my clients originally were in the golf or resort business or golf real estate business. So they know what that trophy is. They can see it's a golfer. They can see its success. So try to come up with a logo that lets a person know visually what you do. Because if you come up with some sexy type style and some kind of graphics that have to be explained, then you're going to waste money explaining what your logo means, rather than somebody just looking at it like the PGA Tour logo or the NBA logo or the baseball logo and going, yes, this is a baseball league, this is a golf league, this is a basketball league. Make it simple, keep the colors primary, and don't get too wishy-washy trying to be clever with your logo. Keep it simple.